You can't see someone's feelings, but your brain is already reading them before you even realize it. Your friend suddenly gets quiet and stops playing. You feel something change before they say anything. Your brain starts collecting clues, tiny ones, eyes, voice, how their body moves. First, your eyes send signals straight into your brain. Inside your brain, special cells begin matching what you saw. They don't just watch, they copy the pattern. So, when someone feels something, your brain builds a small version of it. This happens fast, with everyone around you. Your brain uses 3 signals: what you see, what you hear, and how someone moves. But what if your brain gets it wrong? Sometimes, your brain guesses. It predicts what might be true. And your body joins in too. Your chest, your face, they react without asking you. You feel a small piece of what they feel. That's how people connect, even without words. Let's remember, you notice clues. Your brain matches patterns, your body feels it, and you choose what to do next. But what if someone feels something, and your brain doesn't understand it yet? Sometimes, someone might smile, but still feel a little sad inside. So how can you really know what they're feeling? What would you look for? You don't guess feelings. You notice, and you ask. You can say, "Are you okay?" Or, "Do you want to talk?" That's how empathy starts. Empathy means you try to feel with someone, not just see them, but understand them. And when you do, you help them feel less alone. What do you think someone near you feels today?
Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.